Hi, my name's Zach Ahlstrom. I'm an attorney with Berardi Immigration Law. Today we're not going to talk about a TN or an L1 application that was prepared for the border. Rather, we're going to talk about my own personal experience with CBP as I re-entered the United States. So, as I'm going through the customs line, I pull up to the booth, explain to the officer that I'm returning to the United States from a business meeting in Canada. The officer starts engaging in friendly conversation. We're discussing my position as an immigration attorney, and next thing you know, a message pops up on his screen that informs him I have been designated for a random search. So the officer kind of jokingly laughs. It's sort of ironic that I'm an immigration attorney, and now I have to go into secondary inspection and do an interview of myself. So I go into secondary, I sit down in the waiting room, I'm eventually called up, I'm escorted to the back, I have a little discussion with CBP, and they ultimately search my vehicle. Now, I wasn't pulled into secondary for any sort of suspicion for wrongdoing. Rather, I was pulled into secondary simply by random. As the officer described it at the booth, it's almost like winning the lottery. So the way CBP does it is they have computer-generated random searches. And if you're unfortunate enough to go through the booth when this search is active or you're picked for this search, then you're going to have to go to secondary and they're going to search your vehicle. Overall, it really wasn't an unpleasant experience. It didn't take very long. I sat in the waiting room for about 10-15 minutes. They searched my car. Nothing was found, and I was able to leave. So, moral of the story is, if you are subject to a random search by CBP, it's important to stay calm, be cooperative, and just go along with what they do. Let them do the search, and then you'll be able to leave customs and go on your way and go about your day.